How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Striker TIR traffic advisors. So we offer our Striker 6 and Striker 8 models here, and when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness, and you'll notice a connector, and this is to be used with our optional direct control box, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. And then here you'll have your cig-plug for power, and then you'll have your aux line where you can connect up to 10 amps of extra lighting off of your optional direct control. And then here you'll see a white cable, and this is to be used to hardwire the backlight functionality of your direct control box. Now on your direct control box, you'll have your power button, you have your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons here, so you have dual flash pattern memory, you have your pattern changer button, your aux button, your dim functionality, which will dim the LEDs of your light bar. And then here you have your LED backlight button, and then you have your center out, left right, and right left traffic advising features. And then here you have your slow and fast switch, which will work whether you're in warning mode or your traffic advising mode. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the features. So for example here, I'm using our Striker 8 in an amber color setup, but the same functionality will work with our Striker 6. And I'm using our optional direct control box. So here I have my power button, and then in mode 1 I have one flash pattern programmed, and then in mode 2 I have a second flash pattern programmed, so you do have dual flash pattern memory. And then here you have your pattern changer button, you have your aux button, you have your dim functionality, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar, and then here you have your LED backlight button, which will illuminate the red backlight LEDs on your direct control box. And you can activate that function via your button here or hardwire your white cable. And then here you have your traffic advising features. So you'll have center out, and then you have right left, and then you have left right. And you'll notice each of my directions were on different flash patterns, but each traffic advising direction will come with multiple flash patterns to choose from. And then here you have your slow and fast switch, which will speed up or slow down the speed of your flash pattern, whether you're in your traffic advising mode or your warning mode. Now I did bring an amber color model here, but we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, solid, half-half, and alternating. So let's go over a few of those. So for example here, I brought our Striker 8 in a solid amber color setup, and then in the middle, I brought our Striker 6 in a green, clear, alternating color setup, and then up front here, I brought our Striker 6 in a red, blue, half-half color setup. But again, we do offer our Striker 6 and Striker 8 in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, and solid, half-half, and alternating color options. And we also have our customization tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. When it comes to activating the LED backlight on your direct control box, you can do that via your button here, or you can use your white cable to hardwire that function. Now if you use your white cable, your button will become inactive, so you can either use your white cable to hardwire the function, or you can use the button on your control box. When it comes to mounting your traffic advisor, you'll see we have multiple mounting options. So you'll see our 90-degree suction cup, our 360-degree suction cup and L bracket, our static headliner bracket, our adjustable headliner bracket, our headrest mounting bracket, and our surface mount end caps. And we do have the ability to weatherproof these units if you need to exterior mount. And you'll see our optional windshield visor attachments. And most of these mounting brackets will attach to the back track of your traffic advisor. So that covers our Striker TIR traffic advisors. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.